Good morning, Jocelyn. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, good morning po, ma'am. I'm Jocelyn Damalario, and I'm 44 years old, and from Bohol. Then I was working po sa Kuwait at May 2000 until 2015 po. And I was working also in Hong Kong 2016 until 2019. Then I was working po in Qatar 2021 to 2025.
Okay, 2021 to 2025. Okay, so total countries that you work as domestic helper is 3 countries, right? Okay, so why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong again because the salary is more than the Middle East,
Okay.
and I want to help to my son also.
Okay. So, if you will be given chance to have employer again in Hong Kong, how many years do you see yourself working with them?
2 years. Then if they like me, so I want more than 2 years.
Okay, more than 2 years. Okay. With your past employers, can you share your duties and your routine?
Yes.
How do you handle the household works and the kids?
And I had 3 kids before, and I cook, wash, and also take care of Pete also. Like that.
Okay.
And
So,
in Hong Kong, I was working also with my one employer. They have also 1 kids.
okay, right.
And in Qatar also, I was working more than almost 4 years, and there's also 4 kids.
4 kids.
Yes.
Okay. So mostly the kids are 4 years old or toddler. What age?
And when previous,
What are the age of the kids?
Kuwait is 2 years old.
Okay.
2 years old, and until 9, I think.
Okay.
Yes.
So how do you handle those kids? I mean, you mentioned 4 kids, right?
Yes,
So
yeah.
how do you handle 4 kids? What are your routine?
Give them breakfast,
Okay.
make food for lunch, and also take care with them before go to school, like that.
Okay.
Preparing their food, like that.
Okay. So can you also cook?
Yes,
Okay. Do you love cooking?
I like cooking too.
Okay. Okay. So if we will be given you a job offer that you will share room with the kids or elderly.
No problem. It's
No
okay.
problem.
Because
Okay.
I was working together with kids before.
Okay. How about if you have a co-helper?
Also, no problem.
Okay. So can you promise us not to borrow money with your employer or any lending company in Hong Kong?
Okay.
No borrow.
No.
Okay. Message with your future employer. How you will convince them to hire you?
German, if I what's the name of this one?
Given a chance?
If you give me a chance to work with your house, I promise that I will do all my best to. If you have a kids or you have pet, I will do my best to continue that to what is your roles, I will do it.
Okay, thank you.